Hello class, I'm going to show you how to download files from MyItLab. So for starters, we're going to sign in. For starters, we have the Microsoft 2010, and then I'm going to use the TA account, GSU Grad, and I'm going to put my password in real quick. As you can see, even at home, even at my house, the MyItLab can be a little slow. So I'm going to go into Student View. And as you can see, I'm going to go to the 23rd. And I'm going to go to Word Chapter 1 Project on the calendar. Or we can go through Course Materials and go to the Word Chapter 1 file. Sorry. So here we go to Word Project 1. Once you click on that, this window is going to appear, and it'll give you the option to download files and to upload completed files. We will do this in a future video, so now we're going to hit Download Files. And as you can see, I'm given a few options for downloads. I can either download all the files in one zip file, or I can download these one by one. Your first one is always going to be your instructions, and then here are going to be the pieces to your assignment. So the first option, we're going to download all the files as one zip file. And then this will give you the option to download this. I'm going to put this on the desktop so we can find it easily. Or normally most computers is going to put you in your downloads folder. I guess we'll put it on the downloads folder instead. So that one is downloading itself. Once the download is completed, we can just open up the file. And as you can see, I have WinWar. You're going to need some program that will help you in zip files. So I'm going to extract the files to the desktop. And as you can see, all four pieces are now on my screen. And I guess I'll minimize this. As you can see, here's the instructions, and here's the grader project. First you want to do is hit rename, and rename your files to your name so that you can keep up with your grader project. I'm going to name mine Raymond Hamilton. I'm going to put it at Chapter 1. And then I'm going to right click here and new, and I want to create a folder, and I want to name it SISM 1110. And then I want to put everything in here so that I can keep up with it and easily find it, and it'll be looking at me. And then I can keep all my pieces here. And you can open up your file by double clicking here, and when you open up the file of the assignment, you're going to have usually almost a blank paper with some things on there. As you can see here, we have a stress management, the good, the bad, the useful, a seminar provided by Partners for Healthy Living, LLC. And then you can open up the instructions here. And you can start on here, and you can see the instructions. You'll see where this extra document we downloaded here, this insert. And you'll see here there'll be another instruction that will use the picture that we got too. And we also have the option of downloading these one by one. I'm going to tell it to download all of these to my desktop. And with the grader here, when you're downloading it as an individual, you can also name it whatever you want. So I'll name mine Raymond Hamilton again, except I'll make spaces. And I'll put all these on the desktop. Okay. As you can see, we have two different methods. Both of these will save your assignments to your computer, so you don't have to worry about your files being corrupted in some form or fashion. And hopefully this will be a good help to get you started on your projects. And the next video will help you learn how to turn in your assignments.